sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another Plan With Me video. This month I tried something a little bit different and did a lot more drawing in my planner, but within my weekly spreads. If you've been following along with my Plan With Me videos, you can really tell that this past year I've really been experimenting with what I enjoy doing. Sometimes I use a ton of stickers, sometimes I do a lot more drawing, I do bullet journal pages. This month, like I said, I am just doing a lot of drawing within the weekly spread. I have been seeing a lot of really pretty spreads on Instagram and Pinterest that I think people are actually using stickers for, but I just wasn't finding the kind of stickers that I wanted to use for this, so I decided I would just draw it myself. This spread can definitely be used all throughout fall for September, October, and even into November, or even in the spring. Just change up the colors, just whatever you want to do.
Thinking we had too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
Here I just decided to put down some washi tape to block off the area that I didn't want my sketch and drawings to go onto. I would have done this at the beginning, but then I realized I was trying to be really careful, and I just kind of wanted to be a little bit more relaxed with it.
No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? No drama, no drama, yeah. 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 You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the I met you in the
So as you can see, my planner did not come pre-sectioned off, and at first I was like kind of bummed about that, but now that I'm further into the year, I actually kind of enjoy it because now I section it off into 4 sections instead of 3. I usually do a to-do, a meal planning section, workout, and then like miscellaneous, kind of like work schedule and extra things like that. I like to section it off with washi tape or using like a light highlighter or just something really subtle. And I just love this foil rose gold washi tape. It's so pretty. So typically each week I will change up my stickers and patterns and color scheme. This month I just really loved how I did this pattern, so I decided to carry it throughout the month, but just changing it up a little bit with the layout. If you want to see the rest of the week's spreads that I did, head over to my Instagram. I have 2 Instagrams. I have my main Instagram, I am Jamie Curtin, and then I have my planner Instagram, specifically just showing the spreads in my planner. And that one is Planning with Jamie. So just finishing off with decorating this front page for September. It just has an area for goals for the month and things like that. But I just wanted to tie in that same pattern so that it all kind of flowed a little bit better. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe by hitting that button down below. And liking this video tells me that you really like these planner videos and to keep doing them, so be sure to do that. Thanks guys!
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go.